Your textbook didn't teach you these, but native speakers use them every single day. Let's unlock your English brain with 10 real idioms that make you sound natural. Break a leg. Sounds crazy, right? But in English, it means good luck. You'll hear it before performances, exams, anything important. So next time someone says, break a leg, don't panic, smile, and say thanks. When natives say, I'm gonna hit the sack, they don't mean fighting a bag. It simply means, go to sleep. So, ready to hit the sack after this video? Not yet. If something costs an arm and a leg, it's just very expensive. Like the new iPhone, maybe? Don't worry, just your wallet will hurt, not your limbs. When someone's under the weather, they're not standing under rain. They're just feeling sick or unwell. So next time your friend's coughing, say, oh, you're under the weather today. Break the ice means start a friendly conversation. You can say, I told a joke to break the ice at the party. If someone's a tough nut to crack, they're just hard to understand or deal with. Maybe your teacher or your crush? To let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret. So if someone tells your surprise party plan, they just let the cat out. This one sounds poetic. Once in a blue moon means very rarely. Like, maybe you clean your room once in a blue moon? When a plan fails and you need to start again, it's back to the drawing board. Think of it as not failure, just version 2. When it's your turn to decide, we say, the ball is in your court. So, are you ready to use these idioms in real life? These idioms make your English sound real, not robotic. So, which idiom surprised you most? Comment below and tell me. And don't forget, subscribe, because your English brain's just getting started.